What do you got? What is that? Maddox's? Do you want it, Riley?
I do.
You do? What do you want to do with it? What do you... Oh, you wanted to put it in your mouth? Why? Why do you want it in your mouth? Why? Look at Mommy. Riley, why do you want that in your mouth? Is it good? Why is it so good? It's good. I think we need to give it back to Maddox. It's not ours. Can our Mommy have it? Let Mommy have it. We gotta give it to Maddox. Thank you. Look at Mommy. Riley, look at Mommy. Hey. Are you upset?
Yeah.